Hi kids, how are you? I hope you're all fine at home. Today I'm going to teach you nature. Nature means what things we can see around our house or around us. So we can when we go to out of the house, we can see many things. Is it no? Which are the things? Let's see. Nature. The things we can see the sun is every day morning when you wake up you can looking at the sun. Is it no? Sun. Again night time when you going to sleep, when you look at the sky, it is always dark and there is shining one of the star. What is that? Moon. Again sky. See, the sky is very different. How it is? When the sun rises morning, from morning to evening, the sky looks very brightly. Is it no? In blue color, white clouds, like that. Why? The reflection of the sun. Again, at the night time, same sky. At the night time, it's look like a darkly. Only some stars. Again, the moon we can see in the sky. Is it no? Even dark clouds also, but in daytime we can see the brightness. At the night time the sky looks very dark. Again in the sky we can see night stars. There we can see many stars. Do you know children, can we count the stars? No, we cannot count the stars. Why? Because there are many lakhs together, millions together is the stars. Do you know, children, the stars looks very brightly. Why? Why it looks very brightly shining? You know the rhyme, twinkle twinkle little star. Do you know what is that? Twinkle twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are, up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. How the diamond shines like that, the stars can shines. Is it no? Why it can shines like that? Because it's very far away from us. It's a very far, not kilometers. It's a very far. The sun looks very brightly and big size. Is it no? Why? Because this is near to our earth. We are all living on the earth, right? So the sun is near to the earth, so that's why the sun and moon looks bigly. But the stars look smallly means it's a very far away from us. So that's why the stars looks brightly and smallly. And next one, tree. Do you like trees and plants? We have to grow trees and plants. Why? Because it gives us what? Many things. Many things. It gives trees gives us shade. So when we got hot, when we go to near the tree, it gives shades. How relax no under the tree. It's a very beautiful. Again, it gives oxygen. So what we are breathing inside, that it gives. Again, it gives fruits, vegetables, and from the tree, when we cut the tree, we can make many things like windows, doors, chairs, tables. So like this, many things we can do from the tree. Next one, nature. Sorry, in nature we can see the river. Where we get water? We get water from the rain. When the rain falls down, so it can flows into like a river. So this river water is very nice to drink. Again rainbow. Did you see the rainbow, children? How it looks? It's mixed with all colors. It looks very beautifully. Is it no? Look at in the sky how it looks. So when we can see the rainbow. So when stops the rains, so when the sun shines, at that time we can see the rainbow in the sky. Again, flower. Yes, in many plants we can see many different types of the flowers. Rain, even rain is also one of the natural thing. It's a very enjoy to see the rainy, is it no? And we like to play in the rain. Again, forest. See, in forest, this is also one of the nature thing. In forest, we can see many big trees, many animals, many plants, many types of birds. That all we can see in the forest. Again, mountains. Do you know mountain? How much height it was? It looks like near to touching the sky. So the mountains also one of the natural things. These are all the natural things. So we cannot cut down them, we cannot sharp them, or we cannot hold them. So they can do their things always. Okay. I hope you are all understand this. Next one. Today we are going to learn about the letter F. How we can write the F. Next we can learn. Then before that, look at F for fish, F for flag, F for flower, F for foot, and F for feather. Fish. Fish is one of the sea animal. So it lives in the water. You know that. Again, flag. This is our national flag. This is our national flag. Our national flag mixed with three colors, which are that saffron, white, and green. In the middle of the white, we can see the blue chakra. Is it no? So our flag name, do you know our flag name? Triranga, tricolor. In English we can say tricolor flag, or in Hindi we can say Triranga. Again, flower. Flower, this is one type of the flower. There are many types of flowers are there. Rose, daisy, again marigold, tulip, sunflower. Like many flowers are there. Next time I'll show the flowers to you. Food. Every day we are taking 3 times per day. Is it no? So what are that? Food. So which food we can eat? Every day we are eating same food? Not right. One day we eat chapati, one day dosa, idli, like that. Many things, many different items we are taking it to our stomach. For why? Why do we take that food? Is tell me. To grow high and to get strength and to be healthy. Why do we need food? We need food to grow, to get strength, and to be healthy. And next one, feather. This is the feather. Actually, this one, peacock feather. Where did you see this peacock feather? On the head of the Krishna. Is it no? Yes. This looks very beautiful, and it one light also. Light means not bulb. This not heavy. The feather is not heavy, so it can flows in the hair also. Is it no? That much it was light. And the next is F. How we can write the F? You can write the F. See, first you have to write. I shown here. First you have to write straight line, standing line, again sleeping line on top, again next sleeping line and the next line. So how can we write? In the 4 lines, so to touch only 3 lines, red line, blue line, then blue line. This is called the standing line. On the red line, you write the sleeping line. This is the second step. And the third step is write blue line on the blue line, same sleeping line. So this is how you can write the F. So I hope you are all understand how to write the F. You can complete this page. Will you complete, children? Okay, after completing this letter F, you can learn or read these words and even read these words also. Okay, bye children.